Huh? Yeah, but apparently, Sandro asked if who was with you. Nag-text back si Sandro. At ang reply mo, just me. Okay? Sandro never replied. Okay? Wait lang. Sandro never replied, ha? Ako, base sa investigasyon ko lang to. Kaya syempre, natakot. Sinabi, just me. Di ba? After a while, you texted again and told Sandro, the context of your text was joke. At sinabi mo, you were in the company of some of the creatives. Yes or no?
Ang eksaktong
Yes or no?
ang eksaktong text ko po, Your Honor, I'm with Drama Peeps but we're wrapping up na.
Yes. But you texted him joke, correct?
Well, yes, Your Honor. Kasi nung una, nung just me po, kasi natutulog na po sa tabi ko si Dode. And then
Just me, Sandro did not reply. And then when
Yes
you
po.
replied joke, I was with some of the creatives. Mismo yung mga tao sa creatives.
yes po, but
Creative
I
department.
also said po,
Correct.
yes po, Your Honor. But I also said po, Your Honor, we're wrapping up na kasi I didn't want him to think po that
Okay.
anything about
Okay.
the just me text.
After which Sandro obliged to the invitation of Jojo. At doon nag-text si Sandro na pwede ba dumaan dyan? Sino-sino pa kayo nandyan? Yun yung yun yung lumalabas sa social media na hindi naman kinover kung ano yung prior conversation. Correct?
Your
Mm.
Your Honor, wala pong invitation, wala pong direct invitation from me, from myself. Siya po yung nagsabi na pwede pa ba akong dyan,
Kaya
sir?
nga. Kasi prior to that, inibitahan mo nga eh. Huwag ka na mag-deny, inimbitahan mo na nga to come over your room.
Hindi po, Your
Tapos
Honor.
sinabi mo, tinanong nga ni Sandro, sino nandyan? At sinabi mo, me only, ako lang. Tapos biglang sinabi, hindi na nag-reply, sinabi mo, joke. I am with some creatives.
Your Honor, may we request for an executive session po so we can clarify things.
No,
In-
wala